Welcome. In front of me is DELL Latitude 3520, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check battery health on this laptop. To check the current battery state, you have to open the CMD application, so search for it in the start menu, then run it as administrator, click yes, and in the following field input power CFG spacebar slash CFG spacebar slash battery report. Once you input this command, press enter, then select this path and right click on it to copy, then open the file explorer, paste this path right here and press enter, then use a browser to open the link, and right here you'll get the battery report with all the information about your battery, like recent usage information, battery usage graph and history, battery capacity history, and the main information that interests us is the design capacity and the full charge capacity of your battery. So the design capacity is the original capacity of your battery with which it was shipped to you, and the full charge capacity is the current capacity of your battery. So as you can see, this number is quite lower than this one, and there is no precise number at which your battery should be replaced unless determined by Dell company, but generally speaking, once you are uncomfortable with using your battery and you see that this number is much lower than this one, that means that the only thing that can save your battery is replacement. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.